Let me do this. I want to thank the following people. First of all, I want to thank my driver, Ted Aziz. I've been with that boy for about 3-4 years. He did his best. Because he couldn't drive further, he made the vehicle come closer to a wall, so that that's why I got out, and the guys who were shooting at us could not shoot at me. If he did it unknowingly, or he did it knowingly, at least that I know saved my life. I want to thank, as I said, my escort, Khalid, for the good job you did. You ensured that the principal is protected, because that's what the bodyguard does. Ensure that the principal is protected. He did that. Yes, he might not have shot any of the terrorists, but at least he was able to keep them at bay. Because some of you remember the late Kawisi's incident, Ochiguru, that after shooting him the first time, they even came back and finished the job. So these were coming back to finish the job. That's when I told him, keep shooting. And then he whisked me away to a safe place and came back to guard the vehicle. I want to thank the Boda man. When everybody was scared stiff, running away from me, including government vehicles, this Boda man insisted. He said, Mukama wange nino kutwala, I have to take you. Now you can think, the people who are shooting us were on Boda. This man is telling me to sit on a Boda. I'm still in a confused state. Is he taking me to those people? Or he's taking me to a safe place? But the man insisted. He said, Mukama wange, tugende ku Malcolm of Nefer State. Now what happened is that all the Bodas who are there, they surrounded and they said, so I sat on that Boda with my escort and they drove us to Mark. Observing a protocol, then I'm charged so Bishop n'abakulu mwenna bannaddiini mwenna Sheikh Mubadde kululuntame mukwano gwange mwenna naddiini famire yange ya UPDF, fellow ministers, fellow MPs, mikwano gyange Rotarians, abakwagalana, abantu baffe ab'ekikandwa, baganda bange mu bitu byonna eby'enjawulo. So akiikiridde Katikkiro ku Luwaggwa ate nga naye wakafiirwa ebiseera si bye wala akafiirwa omwana bali mu kuziika juuzi. Abantu ba Katonda mwenna, Mukama mulungi ne mu kiseera nga kino tuddaga nti Mukama mulungi era ze embeera ze weewaawo. Njagala okusooka okuwa mukyala wange ayogereko ku mwana we. Twatuuse wano ekyasoose okuva mu maaso ge ge maziga ng'alaba embaga ennene omwana we gy'atabaddeeko naye kalidde.
Bannange mwenna abaza abakungulazi beebaza muse mubumbi mwebadde ddala. Stella oyo ayogedde nga mukwano gwa Brenda, mukwano gwe ddala. Stella yajjanga neyeebaka eka, Stella nga musirise nga Brenda, ne basomera e Green Hill, ne bagenda e Nabisunsa. Brenda n'akaabanga nnyo ng'ate Stella takaaba atunuulira munne. mama Stella namugamba gwe tulaba munno ng'abunye nga Brenda akaaba. Namubuuza Brenda ki ekikkaabya kati nti tusula bubi tuba tweyize. Nemuleka nga bambadde yunifoomu byange naye Mukama n'amanyiira. naye kuga kinjagala okugera Brenda ye muntu abadde amala okutuuka awantu ng'asooka kukaluubirirwa tamanyirirwawo. Yafuna omulimu ebbombo naye ng'alabika yeeraliikirira ogenda okutandika okukolayo ng'atya abantu. Oke nange nkirina ntya abantu, simanyi kutunula mu bantu bangi naye Brenda akinkozesezza. Guno gwe mulundi gwange okwogera mu bantu ddyo ne leero nenjogera nenfuna byenjogera bijjo sikisobola namba ono njogerera naye bannange Brenda njogezezza. Brenda mujja kwebuuza abadde kuza 33 mu December nga nange njagala omwana wange afumbirwe naye Brenda yafuna ekizibu. Yafuna boyfriend namudisappointinga n'agumiikiriza. Yaŋŋambanga ne mugamba nemugumiikiriza ajja kutereera. Omwana yagaana okutereera muvubuka ng'anywa omwenge. Brenda n'akoowa n'aga nti nze mbikooye. Naye buli lwe yalumwanga nga nange kino yalinganga mu Amerika naye nga nkifiiringira eno nenkuba essimu ng'ate munange nga kituufu nga waalina ekizibu. Brenda n'akyawa abantu n'alwawo okubeera nga tamwegera kubeera nti afuna boyfriend. Okay, oluvannyuma omuntu yanzibirako nti alina boyfriend naye nga tayagala kumutugamba nga byakyama naga nsagala gamba bamumanyi naye nga teza omuntu ambuulira. Bannange nensaba essaala nga tugenda ne tutunuulira embaga ne ku Sande ne mama wange nga tannafa twali Brenda ne mama nange nga tutunuulira mbaga ku TV zone eno bweggwako nga mukyusa channel endala. Bw'ayogera olw'ogwesi bwagala yandibadde ayambala nza ku mbaga eyange zisitera yandibadde akola bwati tugala nga tuddaawo bwetyo nga nange ngezaako nyemboza eyo gireeteyo embaga ndabe nti akikola nga nze mami yange bweneebeerawo nja kukola bwe waka yagamba saagala mbaga yange beeko bantu bangi naye tadde ajja kuleeta abantu abangi nga nange mugala nange ng'aganda ga saagala baleete birabo nange ne mugala nti enewe ebirabo era tibyetaagisa ne bwe bajja ne baleeta butono nnyo kimala aganga tunyumya embaga naye munange embaga omwana wange gyafunye yeeno tagirabye naye nzikiriza ali mu ggulu kubanga yagambye Jesus. Era ono bwe yaŋŋambye nalina ekintu kye nayongedde nenguma kuba luli nabadde ndi bubi nnyo nnyo ne namubuuza Brenda yakoze atya ng'agenda okufa. Naŋŋamba yayise Jesus nangwako neŋŋuma nenziramu amaanyi wewaabwe ekiro oyo butuuka nenzijukira Brenda mu nnyumba tubadde tusulamu batono. Brenda asula waggulu ffe tusula wansi naye Brenda bwazuuka najja ku kitanda ne munyumya. Brenda ayagala ebyokufumba nakubuuza mami otegese ekisapa nomugamba Brenda naawe yiiya kwigamba bingi. Ekirala Brenda oluvannyuma yayagala omulimu ebbombo yagendayo atyayo ate bwe yatuuka olugambo ne lujja mangu nnyo nti omwana wa Katumba ng'agezaako okukyegaana ng'agamba bajja kuntya tebajja kuba comfortable naye omuntu yagenda ng'akatambuza bwatyo oli ajja n'abuuza wanga oli mwana wa Katumba bwebityo naga nze nagaanye biki. Ku Mande Brenda yakomawo yali ayambadde olugoye lulungi nga sirulaba nga olunaku Brenda gyeyengwezese nabayi Brenda ng'onyumye naye ng'alabika ali so tired nemubuuza mbadde n'abantu bangi tinedda nanyumya alina emboozi gye yanyumiza era ab'okumunyumba nemujja kunyamba bavueyo babadde akolalabo nga abanyumiza naye nga sibamanyi nanga nze nabagambye ab'okumulimu nti mu December njagenda ngenda kugenda wala olina nga oddayo mu Amerika n'abagamba nti ye yakuddayo temujja kuddamu kunda story enjijjulidde yakiŋŋamba era bwe maze nembibanako kati kwe kuno kwe yabagambye nti ngenda tagenda kuddayo bala simanyi ani bwe yali anyumya naye naye nga yanyumiza emboozi eyo naga nti ati kati bajja kubitambuza bonna bonna bakole ki bakimanye nange bye binaagenze era temujja kuddamu mulabako naye banaye mbadde nsaba batuyitira abantu Brenda babadde akola nabo tubalabeko. Alina supervisor we yabadde amugambye nti okutandika ne wiiki eno ajja kukola Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Era nga nakyenja okukola mujje bannaffe tubalaba kuti tubamanyi era nze mbadde njagala kuvuga ngende Vvoomu ntuukeeyo nsobole okubalaba babadde nga nnyumiza ng'abamu abatwala ne mu mmotoka naga nti waliwo gwensanga simanya ku mbuzi omulala alusanga ate olusima omukubira essimu ng'agenda n'obuza genda oli luddawa n'owulira ng'abuza omuntu mmotoka wano tuli luddawa bannange bebamu bannange mwebale nnyo okukuba mwanange nemumwagazisa okukola Brenda yali atya abantu naye yabamanyiira bannange tusanyusa nnyo bala muzire ku mbaga Brenda tajja kudda simanya ni bwe yali akinyumiza n'amugamba nti temujja kuddamu kundaba kituukiridde mwebale mwagala bannange mwebale nnyo yabanyumizanga naye nga sibamanyi nangamba ku Tuesday nja kukola wonna wonna mu famasi simanya mu biki kulanga buli lwako maaso wakutuula mu ntebe nanyumiza nze muntu ssaawa mwenda mba ntuusa awaka nga nkomyewo n'atandika okunyumiza byonna bannange nsanyusa ennyo kalaba mwenna mbadde nja kujja banoonya onjagaliddemwono mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala bambi mbasanyukidde nnyo bannange okubalaba juzi twagenda okutugema embuya embuya bamugema tebamuwa kagundi kakaadi kati nga bembuya bamubuuza nakubira abantu simanyi gwe yakubira yeggwe nomualo ne bamuwa banki simanya gundi n'abiwandiika ne bamukuba akayisa ak'obwerera akalala akapapula ne gasigalayo embuya era ndoza tetujja kukajjayo kubanga agenze munnange bannaye mwebale nnyo alwandiwa bwe badde bajja ku mbuzi wa munaye mwebale nanyumiza gono namupiikiza leero nja kuteeka endabira amaguliro sijja kutwala muntu bannaye mwebale nnyo mubadde balungi gogo yanyumiza
Brenda yatunyumiza olunaku lwonna n'atugamba musigaleewo mbanyumiza ebya famire yange. Brenda ali reserved naye ku Monday yagamba Irene sigala gombulira bulijjo ebyamami wa mukyala Seninde gye muva naye nze nga sikubulira kankubulire. Namugamba Brenda bakansi balinze nagamba bonna tujja bakolako tugenda kukola babiri tukola HIV counseling e Bombo at clinic. Nze nangozi Robina Irene Seninde nkola naye Brenda yatugamba mutuule mbabulire twalina primas ye incharge waffe mu counseling omwami yotushemerere primas munaffe omu nemutwala mu department endala ne tugamba tusigadde basatu twegabanyamu tulina okukola ku baclients bonna throughout the week. Brenda nagamba mumpe ennaku 3 ez'omudiringanwa Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday njazikola ntugamba kale weebale naffe tetugabana ennaku endala. Ne Brenda yatunyumiza n'atugamba ffe tuva Ssese dadwa ntalya matooke dadwa ngaleenya n'atubulira nangamba n'okungamba Robina nagenze nensitookingira dadi wange yogurt dadi wange tayagala bya sukaali namusitookingidde yogurt anywengako mpola mpola naguze butini n'atunyumiza buli kimu n'atugamba yali amaliriza okukola client najja nagamba Irene Robina sigenda kugenda nga sikoze ku client ono mukama wabampadde omukisa let me open the computer again nkole ku client ono naye bambi agende nga sawa zigenze Brenda natekako computer nakola client namugamba musawo kasoda kogenda nako kampe namugamba sigenda kakuwa batugende ku kantin kugulira soda namugulira n'omulala najja musawo nga sina transport ate wali bus najjamu omutwalo n'aguguba. Brenda abadde muntu mulungi era tubadde tumumanyidde mukama amuwa ekiwummulo ekyemirembe atuleetereyo ne ba Brenda abalala mwebale nnyo bambi kubeera bazadde balungi.
Brenda abadde ayagala her parents so much nga zabadde ampikinga kawempe naye newobanga otusewo late she packs and waits naye mba mukomawo netawali 19 nagamba this I want to buy for my parents fruits nabagulira emiyembe nabagulira mayuni nabagulira biki ku Sunday she called me and she told me peace watermelon zetwaguze embwi nimugamba Brenda you know what next week tugenda kuddayo tugule watermelons endala ng'abafaako n'omubuuza naye gwe wabiriddeko agamba no, as long as those people eat, that's all.
Praise the Lord. I'm going to talk about Brenda shortly. I'm called Rose Twesije. She would pick me at the Mbuzi. But I stay after Gayaza, but Brenda knew my home. We would come, one day we left Bombo and it was raining. And when it was raining, Brenda decided to take me up to home. She said, Rose, no, it's raining, I can't leave you on the way. And she took me up to home. And before that, I think she had started working like 2 days. She gave me a lift. And when she gave me a lift, as of course we are moving, she told me, Rose, where do you come from? Of course I told her. She told me, I'm going to speak to them in Uganda because we talked to them in Uganda. Yamamba Rose, Sagara yogere, ndimwara wakatumba. I was like, Nangamba, you sure? Nagamba, yes. Twatakakola those are 2 days. Brenda nangamba, nemugamba Brenda, my godmother, she's a very close friend to your mom. Nangamba, are you sure? Nemugamba, yes. Nangamba, who is your godmother? Nemugamba, my godmother, she's Mchara Ben Manyindo. I know the family. Nemugamba, yes, I'm a child in that family. But through that interaction, it really made us very close as sisters. And in fact, I think I'm the last person I talked with Brenda on Tuesday morning. She called me at 7:15. And as she called me, I was like, Brenda, mbadde nkulowoozaako. Nangamba chichi, nangamba Brenda nchangenda kola, nesirina transport. Nangamba nedda, tujja byogerako edda.
Bane nebaza nnyo ab'oku kkanisa y'e Bukoto abamaata z'Union mbalengedde mwebale nnyo ku kkanisa yaffe wiikendi abantu bafudde bangi nnyo. Naye nga buli muntu bamusondera amabugo bane mwebale nnyo kutwagala aba St. Andrews Church e Bukoto.
Yeah, that's that. Tulina abantu bangi, tulina abannaffe abatawulira Luganda. Naye bw'aba atawulira nga muli kumpi muvunulire, kubanga omanyi waliwo ebigambo oluusi ebikaluba okuteeka mu Luzungu naye ng'ate wandyagadde message etuuke. Basaba bannanga bali ne munno nga tawulira Luganda muvunulire. Naye muvunulira bituufu. Kakati bannange ekiseera kino njagala nawe wooli ng'oli muzadde ofumiitirize ekiseera kye tulimu. Ekiseera kino muwaso omukyala maama we akyali mu mokyale kati abadde mukwano gwe nnyo nnyo, naye ate abadde mukwano gwaffe ffenna. Newankubadde nze mbadde muko eri n'oli yali yafuuka maama waffe bw'aba wase eno muba Mukasa ng'eri tulinga baana ng'alinga maama waffe yafa nga bamuddusa omutwala mu ddwaliro. Brenda eyeebase wali abadde mukwano gwe nnyo, gwayinza okubuulira ekyama n'oli twasobola okubuulira ki ekyama. Naye njagala okuba akafaananyi. Maama we ali mu mokyale, omwana we genda muteeka. Kiseera kizibu nnyo, n'ebyogerwa biba biki bizibu. It's very hard to talk about my child. Olwaleero nabadde nsazeewo nti I'm not going to give the terrorist a lot of attention. Let me talk about Brenda, the child, the girl whom we lost. Maybe we have given the terrorists a lot of time and they're enjoying it. But let me say this on that day. Nalaba ebintu bibiri. Brenda bamasasi ndo yali sasi lya kusatu bali akune eryamusula wansi nangwako bwati. We yakabira Jesus alyokangweko. Nga nange eryawano agawano bamaze okumpa omukono guli shattered. Nga gwa left go gwa shattered nga tekukya gulebera bwe kuti. Nga ndaba driver wange omugenzi Kayondo ng'akyali ku steering naye ng'agezaako to say how to drive away. Bamukuba essasi eddala n'agwa bw'ati. Nendaba ekintu ekyasooka kye nasooka okulaba how heartless people can be. That's what I saw. Situation eno nga nti abantu nga balina ettima. Era neetondera Mukama Katonda kubanga kye nasooka okwogera nagamba Mukama Katonda nga njagadde nnyo abantu lwaki abantu tebanjagala. I think I was wrong. And I'm sorry. Because people love me. People have loved us. Abantu batulaze okwagala. So the bad guys are there, but the majority of people are good people. And God's people are good people. Those terrible guys are a few in this world. And they will be isolated. I thank the CDF for that message and for that assurance. Much as I was hurt, we shall fight. We shall fight on. We have touched the nerves. We shall fight on. The second thing I saw, and what came to my mind, ngamaze okuva mu motoka ngudde wansi nga neekuddira n'omukono gwe ogumenyese nga ngamba omwana escort wange, I don't know whether Khalid is here. Nga ngamba Khalid nti guddayo emundu etu babasajja. I saw and I recall that God is great. And I saw the love of God. Because I couldn't understand why, if you have seen that car, that vehicle, how we could survive, how I could survive with my escort in that car. That's God's grace. That is God's grace. Era nalaba ekitiibwa kya Katonda nga maze okuva mu motoka ngudde wansi neekulula neva mu maaso nenzira emabega nga Khalid mugamba abasajja baabo bakomawo. Keep engaging them. Kuba ye yalina emundu ennene. Nendaba ekitiibwa kya Katonda because he was able to save us. So those are two things which I want to talk about on that day. Khalid Yono, this is the boy. I've been with him for some time. And he's the one who worked hard. For him, kyali afuba nnyo okulaba nti omulimu gwe ogwa bodyguard agutuukiriza, omuntu gwe bamukuuma amujja ku scene of crime as fast as possible. And he did it. Thank you, Khalid. Now let me say this. As you have heard, Brenda has gone at a very early age, 33 years. Prime age. Those of you who are beyond 33, you remember what you are doing at 33. It's lifetime. But that's when these terrorists decided to end his life. It was to celebrate her birthday on 13th December this year. Omukulu Kanoni Golobi yatugatta n'omukyalo ono. Sebo batugatta era obufumbo tukyabulimu. Emyaka 35. And Brenda was our first born. Brenda, as you have heard, yali muntu ali bwegasiye mwana omulalu kalampenge mumaje twaita wakala, the one who's sharp. She was there, cool, calm, and I think that's why even the family had made her to be the treasurer of their circle. The family have their circle. so that made her a treasurer. They save every month, and she has been mobilizing them to have an investment, not to depend on our investment, if any. You may not say she was an A+ student, but she was a determined student. I sent those kids away to the US at a very early age. Majo, who's not here, this one went to India, and she was asking me, why did you send me to India? You didn't love me, is that why you sent me to India? But I wanted you to grow, and you did. So I sent them away at a very early age, and they had to forge life. Bali no kola okuyinirawo. So determinedly, she went to school with her sister, Majo, until she finished a master's degree in public health. Then because of papers in the US, it was difficult for her to get jobs worth her training and worth her qualification. Namugamba Brenda, why are you doing odd jobs? Come back home. Come back home, even if you are not going to earn a lot of money, as possibly what you are earning in the US, but you are going to have a respectable job. Come home. Of course, but eventually that was 2019, as you have heard, when she came back on her birthday. And my birthday, actually what these fellows did on that day, they knew that I love Brenda very much. They arranged Erando's abachara. Muli bazibu naye ate muli bamu. Kubanga bategeka omukolo nga simanyi ku birthday yange nzukuka ku makya mbu bagenda kumpa kirabo ntuuka mu ddiiro bampa kirabo ki Brenda ava waggulu akawansi. It was a very big surprise. That was the gift they gave me. And I think that's the day I laughed most in the family. That's the day I laughed. Even they keep talking about it. What or Daddy was second. Because it was a very big surprise. So she came back. Then Mugamba genda okole mu magye. Because amagye ge gaba kuziza. Omba temukulidde ku kirala kawunga k'amagye kwe mukoze ki? Kwe mukulidde. Genda okole mu magye and to pay back service to what? To the army. You may not join the army in uniform, but go back, come to the army and work. So I sent her to Bombo. Dr. Busingus helped me, and the secretary, the PS Defense, and they employed her in the health department. Now, I thought she was going to settle, and I was happy that she had started loving the job, because at first she had feared going there, but later on she had started loving the job. Now, I don't know, Mukama era bya Mukama bya Mukama, kubanga simanyi. Obwedda neebuuza, nenga nti omwana wange namuyita kukomawo, anfiiririre. Because if Brenda was not where she was seated, all those bullets would have ended in my body. So she was my guardian angel. She gave in her life for me, unknowingly. She gave in her life for me. And maybe God said, your dad still has some work to do. But you being a good girl, come to heaven and we'll give you some more other work. Brenda, her clients were her priority. You have heard these people say. She loved her clients. She would come home, like her daddy, omulwadde, eddagala yalisobya, but she has to get the medicine. So you had to find the money to help that mulwadde to be able to get on the program again. Transport. She would say, there was one who had the problem of, I think it was blood problem. So she had to come and tell the mommy, mwana muto, ate yazaala muto naye she's my client, tulina omugulira omusaayi. So we had mudwaliro tegwaliyo twalina okugula. That's Brenda. That's how much she loved her job. That's how she had started enjoying her job. Her kindness surpassed everything else, because as you have heard, she would give clients a transport, she would give them food, she would give them whatever she could share with them. And that was Brenda. Brenda loved people. In her quiet way, she loved people. She was not so outgoing, but she loved people. Brenda Tom was our medical personnel. Me and my wife. You know, at this age, you all know, those who are at my age, you know what challenges we have. You have heard what she was doing, buying fruits, knowing what diet we had to have. She's the one who would make a good meal. If you come home when you are stressed, she will excite you with a good meal. You are going to miss that. As I said, she was the family circle mobilizer and treasurer. She was her mother's best friend. Now we are at a loss. We have a granddaughter who's about 9, I think. And she goes to school. Now, homework. Meetings but Brenda has been going to school. She has been checking the homework of the granddaughter. She has been doing everything for her. I don't know how she's going. I think she's even devastated. I think she's not here. She has gone to sleep. This is the kind of person we are going to miss in the home. She had made our home warm. Because most of these people, they don't stay there. I know this one is in London, this one is where. He wants to be on his own. He has grown. This one is married. So we are in a home, 2 people. Now Brenda was the one making our home warm. And now we have lost her. Because of her quiet character, Brenda's friends were permanent. I think you've heard what Stella said. They have been together for ages. And Sheila. And then Barbara. All those, Babo, they have been friends for ages. Because when she makes friends, she would make friends. She would love to make friends. On that fateful day, while having a conversation about her grandmother and my mother-in-law who passed away, and will be buried on Saturday, she told me that the day she died, the day the grandmother died, she felt sick and could hardly do anything. Maybe that also was a sign that her life was to be cut short soon. Brenda was seated behind the driver, and that's the side that was shot at most. I think about 20 bullets on that side. The third shot hit her so hard, and after that shot, that's when she fell on me and cried out, "Jesus!" And that's the last word she said. That's when I realized that my daughter was breathing her last. After I got out of the vehicle, I came back to check with her. That's why the Reverend was saying I was standing there with all my shirt drenched in blood. I was fighting to come back to see whether my daughter still had any piece of health inside her, whether she could breathe, but she was long gone. It was a very, very traumatizing moment. Mothers, fathers, think about that. Looking in the grave of your child, the child of this age, the child with a lot of life to come ahead. You can, I think, imagine what's going on in our hands. Let me do this. I want to thank the following people. I want to thank, first of all, my driver, Ted Aziz. I've been with that boy for about 3-4 years. He did his best. Because he couldn't drive further, he made the vehicle come closer to a wall, so that that's why I got out, and the guys who were shooting at us could not shoot at me. If he did it unknowingly or he did it knowingly, at least that I know saved my life. I want to thank, as I said, my escort, Khalid, for the good job you did to ensure that the principal is protected, because that's what the bodyguard does. Ensure that the principal is protected. He did that. Yes, he might not have shot any of the terrorists, but at least he was able to keep them at bay. Because some of you remember the late Kaweesi's incident, Ochiguru, that after shooting him the first time, they even came back and finished the job. So these were coming back to finish the job. That's when I told him, keep shooting. And then he whisked me away to a safe place and came back to guard the vehicle. I want to thank the border man. When everybody was scared stiff, running away from me, including government vehicles, this border man insisted. He said, Mukama wange nino kutwala, I have to take you. Now you can think, the people who are shooting us on border. This man is telling me to sit on a border. I'm still in a confused state. Is he taking me to those people? Or he's taking me to a safe place? But the man insisted. He said, Mukama wange, tugende ku Malcolm ufune first aid. Now what happened is that all the borders who are there, they surrounded and they said, Bwatokiriza kutula ku border tujja kwetikka. So I sat on that border with my escort and they drove us to Malcolm. And I want to thank the Malcolm staff who were there for us, and they stabilized me if I was evacuated to the Medpol International Hospital. In a special way, I want to thank everybody, including that medical team at Medpol, for handling my life and ensuring that I can stand here and speak. Of course, this arm will take some time before it becomes useful. The bones were shattered. They put there a metal plate, but and there's still a bullet in there. But I'll be fine. I'll be fine. By God's grace, I'll be fine. I want to extend our thanks to the committee which has been behind organizing these two functions. The prayers at home and this last day of our daughter. Mr. Antake and your team, Adam Chief, Jeno Chimbowa, Jeno Mukasa, all of you, Balam for your voice machines. Manang, if I haven't mentioned them, but you have been on the committee, please know that we appreciate. Because at home, I was not there. She was devastated. I don't know how we could have run this. Thank you very much. Thank you, people. This is what you have shown me, how much you love me and how much you love our family. I want to thank all those who have contributed immensely. The monies. I was hearing here people, members of parliament, ministers, Wagalana. Who can I mention? Somebody even came and gave me 2,000 today. Thank you very much. Everybody. I want to thank my commander-in-chief, the president. He called me as soon as he heard what happened. That man is amazing. How he loves people. He called me. And I told him, sir, I cannot speak. He said, I will call again. He called me when I was at Malcolm. Then I told him I'm being evacuated. As soon as I arrived at Medical, he called again. And ever since he has been calling to find out how I'm progressing. Thank you, my president. Madam Nankabula, please tell the president our family appreciates. That's a sign of love for your juniors, for the people you work with. Thank you very much. Yourself, you are there yesterday for the prayers. You are here today. And the whole of SEC, thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being there. General Raiso Kutawan. This one, I rang her in the morning to tell her how we had lost a mother-in-law. Then, a few minutes later, I called her to tell her I'm in the hospital, I'm breathing today. Now, in fact, she was saying, "Vana kwate simu yange, ne wala bantu nze nasembayo kwogera naawe." Tewagamba nti namanya ebigenda okubeerawo, nedda maama nja kuwolereza, twali twogera ku bintu birala. Thank you very much, Nariso. Thank you very much for being there. Banange nebazaani ndekani. Mama Nantaba, you are there in the hospital nga tell me, nina okulaba nga basawo bakolako balungi. Nsiba wano. Balungi maama omukono baguterezezza. Lydia, Linda, abaana bange bambeereddewo. Kitanda. All these days, they have not been sleeping. Golova, where is Golova? Golova, ono mtabani wange naye, mtabani ayinza okugaana okubeerawo. But he has been there. Everybody has been there for me. Everybody has been there for us. Banange, you have made this function, ngate ya naku, ngate naku nemutikola ki, nemutikendeeza. Mwebale nnyo. Sebo Deputy Katikkiro, Ssaabasajja munneewalize. Katikkiro yajja n'andaba mu ddwaliro. But as somebody was saying, CDF, we need to get this out of the way. At least let's arrest some people. Because when the Katikkiro came, they told me something which was funny. Nangamba nti olwabwe baamala okubuulira nti bankubye. Musajja n'amukubira n'amuga, Katikkiro, oliridda wa? Weekukume. Namula kati nekukuma ku ki? Siba nti ogamba bakubye katumba. Weekukume. So you can see the kind of fear these situations put in what? In people. Abantu batya nnyo. Batya nnyo. N'olwekyo tufube nnyo okulaba nga tukola ki? Bana Dr. Kusaasira. What is Dr. Kusaasira? Leero taliwo wano. Dr. Kusaasira yafuuka policeman kuba nali mu theatre nga buli omu ayagala kuyingira. Abantu bandaze omukwano. Banaye bwe bagoya ku Medipal. Bwe bagoba obutayingira mubasonyiwe. Kubanga there was no way everybody wanted to come and say hello, even just to say bye. I've seen love. If anything, I've seen love. Archbishop, Mukama wange nojja n'onsabira nga tulina emirimu mingi. N'omanya nti musajja wo gy'ali era esaala azeetaaga kusa ebiseera ebyo ng'ali ku kitanda. Banaye neebazaani ndeka. Everybody was attended. Abatuletedde ebimuli. Oh my God. Nkyala nga atera oga ndyetaagala nnyo bimuli kuwe. Naye bajja bireeta. Thank you very much. It makes the work, kugamba embeera egenda nekola ki? Nekyukamu. So I want to thank everybody. Bane mbeebaza mwenna ab'ekikandwa mwebale kubeerawo. Buli kiseera ne tujja n'ebizibu tetubyagala naye ebintu bibiri. Ate kati tugenda baleka kubanga olw'okuloola tulina okuddayo. Enkya ku makya tulina okugenda mu ekereziya mu Ndeeba tusabire maama tumutwale e Masaka. Tuzaba neemulabe ebyensi. Banani Mukama abampeera omukisa. All those people have come. MPs Honorable Cooper, I can see you. Everybody. All members, I saw all members of the infrastructure committee. They have worked with me very well. Mr. Honorable Kafero, once a honorable is a honorable. Honorable Zuba, I saw you there. No man, thank you very much. Honorable Chamba, everybody. All the other guys from the other companies, I saw somebody from TriStar and agencies, all the agencies of the ministry. You are all here. You have shown me love. I may not be able to give that love in the same measure, but I'll give. Yeah. All those who are seeing us from abroad, abaweereza sente abago mikwano gya Brenda bonna, all the friends of my daughter. It's unfortunate, embaga bagamba zibeera 3, esooka togiraba oba togimanyi ey'okuzaalibwa, omanyako ya wakati ey'okufumbirwa ow'okuwasa, muwala wange tagirabye, nesembayo yiyi tagirabye. Naye katukikole ng'embaga yesembayo in that form. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Bakulu bange, mwebale. Kimanyi emyaka gigenze naye tukyaliwo. Mukama akyatuleeta. Thank you everybody, thank you for coming, thank you for gracing this function. Mwebale nnyo nnyo nnyo. Brenda, my daughter. Mukama akoze mmeke nnyo. Thank you.
Aliya okukkiriza kwaffe nga tugamba nti
nzikiriza Katonda byonna
omutonzi w'ensi Yesu Kristo omwami Mukama waffe eyazaalibwa omwana atamanyisa kya Mariyamu eyali olubuto olw'Omwoyo Omutukuvu n'abanyamizibwa ku Pontiyo Piraato n'akomerwa ku musaalaba n'afa n'aziikibwa n'atemba gombe mu bafu olunaku olwokusatu n'azuukira mu bafu n'agenda mu ggulu atudde ku mukono ogwa ddyo gwa Katonda Kitaffe ayinza byonna naye alivaayo okukomawo okusala omusango gw'abalamu n'abafu nzikiriza Omwoyo Omutukuvu n'ekkanisa entukuvu ey'abantu bonna era ebona bonna n'okusa ekimu okw'abatukuvu n'okusonyiwa ebibi n'okuzuukira kw'abafu n'obulamu obutaggwaawo. Amiina.
Kuyimba oluyimba olwo amaze omulimu gwe nga bateeka Brenda mu nnyumba ye. Kafeero Mukama waffe Yesu Kristo aliwanyisa emibiri gyaffe gitali gya kitiibwa giryoke gifaanane omubiri gwe ogw'ekitiibwa ng'amaanyi g'amangi agakola bwe gali agali mu nsi okwejemulira